If it wasn't for the studies and the help from Dr. Wayne and the staff here, I don't think I would be here right now. I was on the brink of giving up. I had my own business and was running it somewhat successfully. The diabetes caught up to me and started really putting a hurting on me to where I was unable to do a lot of the necessary tasks of my trade. It took me to a depressed state of mind.
Over 30 million Americans have diabetes in this country. It's a huge problem. One of our roles at Clinical Trials Research is to fight this epidemic of diabetes that's just taking over this country. One of my passions is participating in studies that are cardiovascular in nature. There are multiple risk factors for cardiovascular disease, and that includes diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol. It's very, very important for these patients to get on it, and Nick is a very, very good example. We hit a turning point with him. He had diet issues, his weight was a problem, his blood sugars were way out of control, and Nick and I had a very serious conversation. I said, Nick, you've hit a fork in the road. If you keep going like this, your quality of life is going to get worse and worse, and you're going to die younger. We have to make some different decisions right now. And we got him enrolled in a diabetes trial.
Dr. Wayne and I had many talks, and he was able to point out my assets and let me look at my boys and really change that for me. And that started the journey. I started dieting and challenging myself to get up and do something around the house, no matter how painful it was. I keep pushing myself because of my boys and my wife. And my boys are my inspiration.
We were able to pay a lot of attention to his condition and really focus in on it and help him through this. He's a changed man. It's wonderful. It's a pleasure for me to see this. Probably half of all adult Americans have some kind of cardiovascular disease. I'm one of them. So yeah, I have a coronary issue, and so when I see patients with cardiovascular conditions or cardiovascular risks that can lead to a coronary problem, that can lead to a heart attack, I'll share my story with them. Don't do what I did. Don't wait. Take it seriously. Make some changes now. Have a good quality of life. I can really relate, and I think that does help me to connect with them.